Hi everyone, today we're going to be making a cheesecake keto fat bomb. This only requires 4 ingredients. It's basically 4 ounces of cream cheese, 2 ounces of natural peanut butter, by natural meaning just ones that you can get at a store that have peanut butter and salt in it only, no sugar added. And then to the right, it's actually 2 tablespoons of Swerve right here, and then I have half a cup of the Lily's dark chocolate chips. This is sweetened with stevia. So what you want to do is let the cheesecake, or not the cheesecake, the cream cheese come to room temperature, and you're gonna throw in the sugar in there and mix all these 3 ingredients together, and then put it in the refrigerator to harden up a little bit, or you can even put it in the freezer, which will harden up quicker. And in the meantime, you want to chop up these chocolate chips. Then we're going to take the mixture out, scoop it into little small balls. This is supposed to be enough for 12 servings. You're going to make a ball out of it, and then you're going to roll it into the crushed chocolate chips and then put it back in the freezer. It's so good. It reminds me of Snickers ice cream for some reason. It's really delicious. I've made this twice already, and it's definitely going to be something that I will keep making whenever I'm like feeling something sweet that I want to eat. It's definitely keto approved, and you will love the taste of it. You're going to continue to mix that, and then also add the Swerve in there. That was 2 tablespoons of that. Mix it really well. I might do it off camera because this is a little hard to do while trying to record, but that's the idea. Once it's all incorporated together, you just want to refrigerate it or even put it in the freezer for a few minutes, give or take, just to kind of harden this up a little bit so that it's easier to scoop and make it into a ball. I'm done mixing it all together. As you could see, there's no discoloration on it. It's mixed pretty well, so now I'm just going to go ahead and put this in the freezer. So there you go, that's one. And you're just gonna repeat the process until you can scoop everything out. And then you're gonna want to freeze that. And I'm telling you, these things are delicious. I'm gonna continue to do this, and I'll show you guys the final result. Just finished scooping all of the balls together, and mine came up to 14 balls. The recipe calls out for 12. I guess it depends on the size of the balls. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put these in the freezer for an hour, give or take, and then I'll just put them in a container and keep them tightly sealed so that they remain fresh. This is all done. And I already took a bite into it. It's really delicious. You guys definitely need to give that a try. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take care. God bless. Bye.